A lot of heavy rain expected for parts of Florida and the Bahamas today. This can cause flash flooding, urban flooding, and a lot of problems, especially in southeastern Florida. So if you are in those areas, be careful, and if you know someone in those areas, tell them to be careful as well. And talking about the disturbance in the southwestern Caribbean, it has now been downgraded to 50% chance of formation in the next 7 days. And this is less likely to develop, but it will still bring flooding rains to Jamaica, Cuba, and Haiti. So be careful with that too. But the most immediate threat today are the heavy rains in southern Florida and the Bahamas.